In the peaceful land of Uz lived a man named Job. He was known everywhere for his kindness, honesty, and deep love for God. His home overflowed with blessings, livestock, servants, and children who filled his life with joy. One day, the heavenly beings gathered before God. Satan came among them, challenging Job's loyalty. He claimed Job served God only because he was blessed. God allowed Satan to test Job, but not to take his life. Disaster struck quickly. Raiders stole Job's animals. Lightning burned his sheep. A powerful wind destroyed the home where his children were gathered. Heartbroken, Job fell to the ground, but he still whispered, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away." Satan struck Job with painful sores. Job sat in ashes, scraping his skin with broken pottery. His wife cried out in frustration, begging him to give up. But Job remained calm, trusting God even in his pain. Job's friends, Eliphaz, Bildad, and Zophar, traveled from far away. When they saw Job's sorrow, they sat beside him for 7 silent days, sharing his grief. When they spoke, the friends insisted Job must have sinned to deserve such suffering. Job defended himself with honesty and frustration. He trusted that God knew the truth, even when he didn't understand. A young man named Elihu stepped forward. He spoke with passion, reminding them that God is wise and sometimes uses suffering to teach and refine. Suddenly, a mighty whirlwind rose, and God spoke from it. His voice thundered with questions that reminded Job of his power and wisdom. "Where were you when I made the earth? Can you command the morning?" Job repented humbly. God forgave him and restored everything he lost, double the amount. Job's home was filled again with joy, family, and abundance. Job lived a long, blessed life. He saw his children and grandchildren for many generations. His story remains a powerful reminder that faith shines brightest in our darkest moments.